you know what? The worst of it is behind us. That was certainly yesterday. Right now, we are dealing with some coastal showers from the Bolivar Peninsula down towards Matagorda County. I am starting to see a couple strikes of lightning associated with these storms heading north from Freeport into Angleton and down towards Matagorda County. So maybe you woke up to a rumble of thunder, but hopefully you're sleeping through it here. Again, much lighter in intensity and also in coverage. So we're still going to deal with some rain today, but the front that arrives on Sunday is going to dry us out. So we'll see the return of sunshine, dry conditions, and much less humidity for next week. Now, getting you through the day today, overall, right now, we're just going to be dealing with some light rain or drizzle for the most part in the early morning hours, and that'll start to kind of shift its way north here through mid-morning or so. But the bulk of the rain in the morning staying south of I-10. We get into the afternoon and notice those scattered showers and storms start to pop up, but the bulk of the rain today will be east of I-45 and south of I-10. In fact, most of it staying out over the Gulf. So that'll linger through about sunset, but then it loses its steam. We head into the evening, mostly cloudy, but also mostly dry. So things will be quiet for the most part, aside from maybe a pop-up shower in the overnight hours. How much more rain are we talking about? I know you're probably sick of hearing about it at this point. Not a whole lot more today, maybe another ½ an inch to an inch, except for where those downpours and thunderstorms develop. Maybe a touch more tomorrow, but at this point, the models are trending even drier for today and also into tomorrow. So it really just depends on the arrival of that front. But we're not dealing with anything tropical. Speaking of tropical, Hurricane Sam is still hanging on to that Category 4 intensity for a week now. Remember back last Saturday, it went from a 2 to a 4 in the same day. So it's now been almost a week that it's been holding on to its Category 4 intensity just off the coast of Bermuda. Pretty miraculous that this has been such a powerful system and really hasn't impacted land all that much. It is expected to weaken here as it moves into cooler waters here and some wind shear, eventually dissipating close to Iceland. Imagine that. So definitely giving long-lived Larry a run for its money. Other than that, Victor is really struggling here, probably not going to ever make it to hurricane strength and dissipate over the course of the next few days. And the Hurricane Center is not monitoring anything else at this time. So we certainly love to see that. You know, what else we love to hear about this time of year is cold front. So let's talk about that pattern shift. Cold front arrives on Sunday. Might be dealing with a little bit more shower activity with the passing of that. But then you'll really start to notice those dry conditions. In fact, look at those dew points. They're crashing off the charts. So we're talking about really pleasant stuff here. Definitely something to look forward to. Home stretch with the rainy conditions. A few more days of that, and then back to a blissful weather pattern.